At the very outset, I would like to convey my sincere and deepest condolences to Madam Blei and the loving children of our departed soul, grandchildren, and all the loved ones, and all friends and relatives who are mourning the demise of this great son of the soil, who had been very close to our heart. Let me start with the Word of God, which I believe must have been a guide to our departed leader. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in the paths of righteousness for His name's sake. Psalm chapter 23, verses 1 to 3. Indeed, because God has loved His beloved people of this beautiful state, He gave unto us leaders of Dr DD Lapang's statue. He gifted us with leaders, and Dr DD Lapang was the gift of God for the people of the state of Meghalaya. He guided him and He led him, which is testified by the quantum of services in his long innings of public service and public life that He gave unto us. He was blessed with position, honor, authority, power, and privileges to serve us all and to put His hands together with the rest of the leaders to build this beautiful state and save the future of the state. Not many of the leaders had such a long innings of public service, and we are grateful to God that Dr DD Lapang was blessed with extraordinary opportunity, and that he, till his age, when many would have given up, continued to serve us and didn't show any sign of political or physical fatigue, nor gave up his pursuit to achieve his set mission and vision of saving the future of the state for the future of our children and grandchildren. I, with my political aspirations, I keenly watched many of the leaders before I stepped into politics. And Dr DD Lapang was one of them whom I keenly watched as I was preparing myself to step into active politics. When I got re-elected for the second time in 1998, Dr. Lapang, after his absence from the assembly for one term between 1993 and 1998, assumed upon himself the leadership of our Congress legislature party. And from that time onward, he carried his team, all of us, creating space and opportunity for every one of us in the whole political spectrum, for those who are in political circulation, to be part of the great story of building this beautiful state of ours.